What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Clickbank strategy that I've been using for over 30 days now. That I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've been doing. The strategy is pretty much copy and paste. The strategy is pretty easy. You're only going to need two things. You're going to need a Clickbank account, which you see on the screen right here. And the second thing you're going to need is a My Lead Gen Secret account. The Clickbank account is 100% free. You don't need anything. Just come here. You set up your account. Unless you're living there's very few countries where you cannot get approved. So mostly any country can get approved. If you can't, you may have to use a VPN or figure another way. Or there are other places where you can go to. There's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus, there's other places you can go to. There's Digistore24. You can go to either one of those sites as well and use the exact same strategy. Just make sure when you get there that you're using that you're going to get those products that are make money online offers. That's pretty much what we're going to be showing you here today. So the other place we're going to be needing is the My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret is a website where you get 100 emails every single day. Let me go ahead and log to my account. In My Lead Gen Secret, they give you 100 leads a day just for being a member, and there is a fee to sign up. It's $60 for the first month to get started, and it's $30 every month after that. You get 100 leads every single day, but if you look at my account, I'm getting 200 leads every single day. Why am I getting 200? Because I referred just one person, just one, and that person just signed up. And once you get one person to sign up under you, you get 200 leads every single day. Next question: how many accounts can you have? I'm not sure if there is a limit, what the limit is, but there's people who have 4, 5. There's people who have 10. There's some who maybe even have 15. Me, I have 5. That's why when you see I log in, you'll see those multiple user IDs, because I save the information that makes it a lot faster to sign in. Now, what kind of leads do you get? You get make money online leads. It's what they sell you, but there's been other things that you can send to them, which I'm not going to target right now. I'm only going to be doing the make money online type offers, and these leads are geared towards that. So as you can see, I've been sending leads or sending emails already, and this is just from the first screen where it shows you the title of the email. It shows you how many open, how many click, what's the open rate, what's the click-through rate, which is pretty much the people who clicked on the link in the email. There are going to be times where you may make a mistake, but you can still, you may not be able to correct it once you make it, but that's okay, because you learn from those mistakes. I've made them as well. I've sent emails, the same exact email 2 days in a row. Is pretty much the mistake that I'm talking about. Is I've sent emails twice, 2 separate days in a row, and didn't realize it until I came back. Right now, it does have a timer, because you can only send an email once per day using the system. That's also free, where you do not need an autoresponder, which those are free as well, but you may not need those as of this particular way that we're going to be using this strategy. In this strategy, we're not going to be using we're not going to be using Get Response, we're not going to be using Aweber. We're just going to use two things: Clickbank and the My Lead Gen Secret, because you can send your emails through here, and there is a 23-hour wait after you send the email, so I have to wait about another hour before I can send another one. That's why that timer is there. There's also the perfect timing button. You click on that, and what that does is it sends the email at the perfect time for the person that's receiving the email. That would be more optimal for that person to open your email. It's the reason for that. So now let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead to Clickbank first, and we'll come back to the My Lead Gen Secret in just a second. Let's go ahead and log in. And as I said, these accounts are free to sign up. You could also create multiple accounts with Clickbank, and you can create just to test with. I mean, you can create 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 accounts under the same account, so you can just pretty much have them all on the same dashboard. See, let me show you that in a second. Right now, you can see I made a sale. My last sale was on the 4th, and that sale was $5.13. I've started a new offer since then. I've changed, so this offer is no longer the one that I'm promoting, but sales can still come in because you're sending emails. People may not open up your email the first time that they see the email. So as you can see, this is the account that I'm using. They come down below. It shows that they owe me a balance of $26 just because I've had sales on I've had at least one sale per week using this strategy, and that's because I have pretty much have a lot of emails. I'm not saying that you're going to make the same amount that I do. You may make less, you may make more, you may make zero. It's going to depend on how often you send emails, how many emails are in your account. That's all going to determine whether or not you get sales or not. But the strategy does work, as you can see. Even though it's a small amount, you can see the system is working. So let's click on the first one. This is a second username. You can also come in and create more. You just have to connect those accounts together, so all of those accounts can have the exact same dashboard, it shows pretty much your earnings here. You go here and click on these other things, which I'm not going to get into today. We're pretty much just going to go to the marketplace so I can show you how we're going to be getting our offers and the offers that we're going to be selecting today. But before I go to that, let me go ahead and show you one other thing. Well, no, I'll just go to it. It's not, I thought it would be up here, but it's not. But since we're here, let's go ahead. We're going to select our category, which is going to be e-business and marketing. We're going to come over here when it loads and go back all the way to the top to rank. We're going to click that and we're going to change it to gravity. That's going to put the order at the top. It has been getting the most sales on Clickbank recently, and this offer is pretty much getting 249 sales. I'm not sure if it's for the day, if it's for the week, or if it's for the month, but this is the one. This is the offer that's getting the most sales as of top in this particular category. And the one underneath it is getting 98. I've done that one already. The one underneath that one is the one I'm working on right now, which is 94. And I've already done it. This one is the one I have the $5 sale in, because I kind of somehow I skipped over that one and went to this one. But this one is the one that I have that $5 sale in, which I have two sales from it. I have $5 from last week and I have $5 from this week, sending those emails. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the affiliate page. That's going to take us to the page where we're going to get those emails. That's 100% free that they provide to you, and just want to copy and paste the emails to send them to the My Lead Gen secret email list. So email swipes, you're going to click on that. Now, just to make sure, let's see, can you do this job today? So to make sure you don't send duplicate emails, even if it's another day, can you do this today? We're going to go over here, and we're going to go back to, we can go down here as well, but it's easier to go back to the home page to see. Let's see, failed to win. So no, I think it's my other account which I had in. This account I started to use some other things in, so let me go ahead and sign out and go to the other account, which is my second account. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts that I have that I'm using this system for. So if you have 2 or even 1, you can start with 1, but it'll just take a longer time. It's going to take a longer amount of patience. It's going to take more days of sending emails, because you're going to have to wait. If you only have 1 account, you're only going to be getting 100 emails a day, unless you refer someone, or that's why we recommend that you get multiple accounts, because 1, you get 200 emails a day, which all you would do is come up here, get your own referral link, and you would sign up under yourself, and then that would give you the 200 emails, but only 1 of those accounts with the 200. So we're going to come down here. Can you do this job today? That was sent. It was 1,000 open. And it also shows you how many it was sent to. So all close to 7,000 people sent those emails to, only 1,000 open. So there's a potential of later on that a couple thousand more may open it. There's 153 that clicked, 15% open rate. There's open to email and 15% click-through rate, which is pretty high as far as I know. And so this email, can you do this job today, I think was the first email. Let's go back and double check. Can you do it? So we've already sent that one. We're going to come back to email number 2. Hey, what name? I found you this. We're going to copy that. Control C, or you can click the little copy button that shows up. We're going to come back over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to the tab mailing system. I'm going to go down a little bit. We're going to paste that into the subject bar. But what we're going to do is we're going to come back and change this, because as you can see, the brackets in here are different than the brackets that they had on that particular page for you to get those free emails. So we're going to come back, we're going to copy here, and we're going to change that, and that's fine. All this is going to do is add the person's first name from the email right here, and it's going to look more personal when they see their name. They're more inclined to open and think it's for them. So come down here, I'm going to delete this, click in there, Control A to select all of it, backspace to delete. Then we're going to go back to the affiliate page, and all we're going to do is copy the body of the email, and we're going to paste it in. And first we're going to make sure we see how it looks before we send it off, because sometimes it does look a little quirky, which we can't look at it right now because we can't preview it, because the button doesn't really show until you're able to send an email. So what you would do is come here, Control V as in victory, paste that, come down here since we're already here, and delete signature, and just replace that with your first name. Hit this link to apply now. So to get the link that we're going to add in this email, you come back to Clickbank, and all you would do is come to that offer and click promote. Now the strategy I'm showing you guys shouldn't take any more than 15 to 20 minutes per day Once you get everything set up properly, you come in. We're going to use this one. I've already looked at this one. This one is plain. This one has a video, so I'm going to go with that one. Well, account nickname. Let's see. It normally pops up on its own. That's why I didn't put it. And if I want to track it, I can just put in MLGS 2, which is the second account. Create a hop link, and then you can see at the end of it, this is how you can track to see where exactly the strategy, the traffic is coming from. If you want to actually see the sales, but since I know they're all coming from the My Lead Gen Secret site, I'm not really concerned. But if I was doing like a YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, you can put that on the end of it and put an abbreviation so you know exactly where those sales are coming from. So you would highlight this to make this link, these words clickable, and you will come up here and press this button that looks like two chains connected together. You're going to paste your Control V and put that URL in there, press OK, and now this link can be clicked on in the email. Sometimes there's more than one, so you have to go through it just a little bit to make sure there's not. And also we're going to change this. We're going to go back up here, and since it's the first name, we're going to copy this just like we did in the up above. And the subject is going to copy and replace the name. The way that they send it to you is in a different kind of bracket, so, and it also has different words in it. So that has name, this has first name with underscore FIX. You're also going to say that you live in, I'm just going to delete this because I'm not sure, you live in, because we don't really have a, I don't think we have one for country. You have IP address, sign up, email, name. So I'm not sure if they have one for country that works. So I may just delete that one, delete this line altogether. So if I have that right, then this job, which is available to you to do online, perfect. I will come down here and just kind of make this look a little bit cleaner. Close that up. I'll make a little space there. Put another space here. And since I don't see there's anywhere else where it says click here or anything like that, that would be it. That's pretty much all you would do. You would come down, click on the perfect timing, and click on the button down below that will be showing, but it's not going to show until this timer is gone, which is another hour from now. So that's it. That's all, guys. I mean, that's all we do. You can copy, you paste, you press send, and depending on how many accounts you have, it shouldn't take very long to do. This strategy does work, but as I said, it does take time. It's going to take a little bit of patience because it's going to require you to pay up front and get the reward later. But what's going to happen is once you start building up those accounts, once you start building up those emails, is you start to see the profits start coming in. You start to get more profitable, because in the beginning you're not going to be profitable, because let's be real, if you're spending $6 for the first month, if you get 3 accounts, that's $180. If you get 2 accounts, it's $120. So you're minus $120 for the first month, and you may not get sales until the second month, so you can be minus $120. So you may end up minus $180 before you start making significant sales. It may take 3 months, it may take 4, but eventually you will get more, which will be more than enough to overtake those other fees from having these emails. That's why I say it's a long-term strategy. It's going to require a little bit of patience. You're going to have to pay up front to get those sales on the back end. But let's just show you. If you get 3 accounts and your first 2 accounts have 200 emails per day, that's going to give you 600 emails in those accounts. But this is just for one. This is just for 1 month. And the third account, you're going to get 100 emails. And what that's going to do is that's going to turn it. Let me put this eraser. I can just delete it, exit, and then start it back again. What that's going to give you is 700 leads every single month in 1 account. I'm sorry, through a combination of all 3 accounts. So 200. No, I think I'm doing this wrong. Hold on a second. I think I'm doing this 100% wrong. 200 a day. You get 200 leads a day. 200 leads a day plus 3 accounts. One of those accounts are going to be getting 100 leads. So let me pull out my marker again. I kind of screwed that up. I'm sorry. So 200 leads a day times 3 accounts. This is a day. It's going to be 6 or 2. We're going to do just 2 accounts. Okay. So 2 accounts. I'm getting myself confused here. It's going to be $600 for those 2 accounts plus 100, which ones end up being $700. That's where I messed up at. Okay. So now I understand where I messed up at. So we have 700 leads every single day divided between 3 accounts. Now you're gonna have those 700 leads over the span of, in my example I gave for you a minute ago, about 3 months. In 3 months time, I'm pretty sure you should get a lead by then, but you know, I can't guarantee that because the system, it works, but it's gonna take a little time in order for you to build up your leads. The more leads you get, the more sales you will get, and that's just gonna take a time to build up for those 700 leads per day. Now at the end of 3 months, if you stick with the program, you'll end up with 21,000 leads in 90 days. So by then, I'm sure you will have some sales. Now, if you're going to be profitable or not, I can't really predict that. It's going to depend on the offer, and it's going to depend on which offer you're getting the sales in. So like as you saw, in my case, those offers were only paying like $5 on the ones that I actually got sales in. So let me go back and show you that. Close this out. So I'm just going to go back up here, and we're going to go back to the other page. It's not on there. Go back to the first page. Go down here. I'm going to click on this here. And we're going to go to the reporting tab, which is going to show you the clicks that you have. As you can, even on this page, it'll show you. Like I had sales for $12 for the week of 4/19, $12 sale for the week of 4/26, a $5 sale for 5/13, and a $5 sale for 5/10. Now this is the reason there's a difference because it's the offer that I was promoting. These are the sales that I got in those offers. Those were two different offers. The third offer, the second offer I didn't get any sales in. This was from the first offer. The second offer I didn't get any, so this one was the third offer which I got sales in, and now I'm working on a fourth offer. And if everything trends the way that it has been already, then I should get a sale this week because I've been getting one every single week. And let's come down here to the reporting tab. And this is pretty much just going to show you the clicks that have been going to your links. Mine has been going down because there was a day where I didn't send any emails. And as you can see, it's been 3,700 clicks to this one link, 95 to this link, a total of 39. It's not showing the other ones for some reason, but as you can see, the order form page is normally where you see the what is the impression? You go over here, the order form page is normally where you would see how many people actually went to the order form page to check out, and those are the people who are potentially had a chance to buy whatever product that you're sending them to in the email. So this is pretty much what that means by the order form impression. You'll probably hear a lot of people say the OFI page. That's what they're talking about, the order form impression page. And this one is showing 0 because this is the one I just started. That's brand new. The one I promoted yesterday, and I'm going to probably send out today. So it doesn't have any. It has clicks, but it doesn't have any order form impressions. So no one has went to the order form page as of yet. But like I said, the more emails you get, the more you send the emails. You send them out every day. It only takes 15 minutes. At the 15, maybe the most 30 minutes. It shouldn't take 30 minutes. But once you get this down, it shouldn't take you more than 15 to 20 minutes to do this. You can probably do it on a break and on your if you can do it on your mobile device. I'm not sure. I haven't really tested that. But that's it, guys. Go ahead and give me the HBO special, the Help Brother Out special. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be come back and watch the next videos that I put out. This is the Passive Income Trucker, giving you guys more value on how to make money online. I'm out.